Hello everybody. How you guys doing? This is Lucky Ato. I want to welcome you to Affiliate Game Changer. Okay, this is a channel where I share useful information, useful tutorial that will help you in your journey to make good money online. Okay, so in this video today, I want to be showing you. I want to be teaching you guys how to find hot products. Okay, hot products on Clickbank. Okay, one major mistake that newbie do is they really don't know those hot products that they can sell and make good money from it. Okay, so in this video I'll be showing you how to find hot products on Clickbank. Okay, product that sells like hot cake. All right, so before we get straight into it, make sure you stick to the end of this video. Do not skip any part. Okay, make sure you watch this video till the end, because at the end of this video I'm going to be revealing my tips and tricks of how I locate hot selling products on Clickbank. Okay, so before we jump into it, if you're new to this channel, consider subscribing to this channel. Okay, give me some thumbs up. Okay, give me some thumbs up if you like this video, and also share this video. Okay, if you have any question, any comment, drop them in the comment section below. I promise to answer them promptly. Okay, so thank you guys. Lucky Ato here. Let's jump straight into it. Okay. Hello there. Welcome. So, as I was saying, in this video, I want to show you guys how to find hot selling products on Clickbank. Okay. Now, I've been hearing, I've been receiving questions from my students and from people asking me, how can I locate, or how can I find a hot selling product on Clickbank? Okay. Now, actually, this this part of finding a Clickbank product, a quality product, okay, that is hot selling and that is good, okay, that is quality, is very, very important, because if you miss this step, it's really gonna hurt you and it's gonna hurt your business. All right, you want to find a product that can solve people's problem. Okay, you want to find quality product, and also product that people are already spending money on. These are the kind of products that you want to find. Okay, now as a beginner you may have tough time locating this product. Okay, so I have took the pain on myself to handpick this product on each of this category. Okay, now this is based on my own experience, based on my expertise. You can feel free to go on Clickbank Direct, or search the web and also find out from what other gurus or other experts are saying. But these are products that have been proven to be hot in the market right now. Okay, and are quality. Okay, so let's head straight to it, so that I'll show you those products I've handpicked. I handpicked like from 3 categories. Okay, and the first categories are make money online. Okay, now these categories are evergreen. All right, now the first product is called 12-minute affiliate. So all you need to do is just go on, I will do that in a minute. Go on Clickbank, on the search bar over there, just type in the name of this product and those products are going to pump out. Okay, now the first one on the make money category is 12-minute affiliate. Okay, now the next one is super affiliate system 2.0, John Christiani. If you know John Christiani, he is the vendor, he's the vendor of this, he's the creator of this product rather. Then the next product is 6-figure Success Academy. Okay, this is another hot selling product. Okay, the next one is Zippo Pay, then followed by 1K a day fast track. All right, then the next category here is weight loss product. We have the flat belly fix, lean belly breakthrough, eat sleep burn, the body transformation blueprint, red detox research. Okay, then the last category that I picked products in are personal development product. Okay, under the personal development, we have the manifestation magic, we have the wealth compass, we have the manifestation millionaire, the 15-minute manifestation, 4 weeks manifestation, quantum manifestation. Now, guys, these products are really hot selling. Okay, and why? Because the creators of this product put in a lot into this product. Okay, when I say a lot, I mean their landing page are well optimized, their copies are well written. Okay, their landing page looks professional. Okay, in short, their product, they put in a lot into this product, so their product is well converted. Another product I forgot to put in the weight loss session is the custom keto diet. So search it there, custom keto diet. That product is also hot selling. I forgot to put it there, so just look for it and add it there under this research, custom keto diet. So let's hop on to Clickbank. As you can see, I operate Clickbank from Nigeria, but I'm very careful with operating Clickbank account from non-supported countries. Okay, if you're from supported countries, you have no problem with this, but for those that are from non-supported countries, you need to be very careful. Okay, as a matter of fact, I created a brand new Clickbank account for a student today. So this is the account. As you can see, I use a separate browser to log into that account. So I just created the account right now. It is brand new. So before you log into your Clickbank account as someone that is coming from a non-supported country, okay, the first thing you want to do first is to log into a VPN. You need to turn your VPN on and make sure that the VPN is a paid VPN. As you can see, this VPN is a paid one, but actually I haven't upgraded for this plan already. I'm still using their free trial version for the student. Okay, this is the student account. The student just created it. If I log out, I'm going to log into my own account, which is a paid account. Okay, so you want to turn on your VPN. Once your VPN is turned on, you switch it to the UK. Make sure you create a UK account. Okay, so once that is done, then I use a browser called Ion Browser. Okay, if you just check the link in the description below. I've linked a video of how to create a valid Clickbank account from non-supported countries, from Nigeria and other countries that are non-supported. Okay, so once you've turned on your VPN, the next thing you want to do is to visit a website called hua.net, www.hua.net. Can you see it over here? Once you visited this website, then you check your location. The website is going to tell you that your location has been changed successfully. Okay, once you have checked that, then you can now go ahead and log into your Clickbank account. Sorry for digressing. Okay, sorry for the digression. I just did it so that you will know how to operate your account safely if you're from the non-supported countries. Okay, so as I was saying, these are the products, these are the hot selling products that I've handpicked. As I told you, you can feel free to go and search for this product by yourself, carry out your own research, but for me, this has been proven to work and they are always evergreen. So you can pick any niche in these three. You can pick weight loss niche, you can pick make money niche, make money online niche, or the personal development niche, and pick this product and start promoting immediately. And I can assure you that you are gonna make sale with the right promotion strategy. Okay, so with that being said, let me log in into, okay, sorry, I'm already logging into the account. As you can see, this is a brand new account. No sales has been made. I just created this account today. So now we want to search for one of those products that I handpicked. Okay, so the first one is the 12-minute affiliate. Let me just paste it over here. As you can see, 12-minute affiliate. Just paste it over here, okay, and click on search. All right, so as you can see, this is it. The first result over here. This is the product. Can you see? The average sale is $82. So if you come down here, what you want to look out for in a good product is the gravity. The gravity score. The gravity tells you how many affiliate has been able to sell this product within a month. As you can see, this product has good gravity of 268.66, meaning that the product is hot. It also has a review, meaning you sell this product to a customer once and you keep receiving commission over and over and over. This is what we call recurring passive income. Okay, recurring commission, you keep making passive income. All right, so this is how you can also search for other products. Now let's visit the sales page and see how the sales page is. So first and foremost, you want to check a sales page of a product. Okay, you want to see how the sales page is, how the vendor set up the sales page. Is it well optimized? Okay, can the sales page convert your traffic? These are the things you should be looking at in a product. Okay, sorry for my network is behaving. Let me check it out and see. Okay, sorry for the breakup over there. So as I was saying, you click on this is the link to the landing page, to the sales page. This is where you're going to send your traffic to. Once you click on it, it's going to bring you to this page. Okay, so can you see the page? Now you want to look at how the landing page is, how good, how professional is the page. Now if you look at this page very well, you will know that this vendor actually know what he's doing. Okay, you know what they are doing. You know that this page is highly optimize. Now the first thing first is, when you send traffic to this page, the traffic is going to watch this video. Okay, by watching this video is going to persuade he or she to enter their name and email, and before you know it, the vendor's system start following this person up till the person buys this product or purchase this product. Okay, now the next other thing you want to do is you want to check the affiliate page. Okay, now the affiliate page is the page where the vendor has put in those materials. Okay, has kept those promotional materials that will help you promote this product effectively. And okay, all you do is, you can use it affiliate page. You just click on this link. Once you click on this link, it's going to bring you to this page here. Now can you see the page? It is called the JV page. You can also call it the JV page or affiliate page. Now this is the page where the vendor drops some promotional material for you. Can you see it? Your affiliate link, swipe, and graphic. Swipes. Oh, sorry for that. So this is where, yeah, this is the guy behind this product. He's a smart and a bad marketer. Okay, he's a smart. His product is converting like, his EPCs are very high. Product are converting like crazy. As you can see, they are number one. Okay, he's on number one on Clickbank, 12-minute affiliate. Okay, so here you find your swipe are those emails, pre-written emails that you put into your email autoresponder to follow a customer up till the customer buys. Okay, now you also have graphics, and I will not start going into that so that this video won't be lengthy. So actually, in a nutshell, this is where you get your promotional materials from the vendor, help, everything that you need to know about the product. This is where you get it from. Okay, testimonial videos, whatever it is, this is where you get it from. Okay, so for you to, once you've located the product that you want to promote, what you want to do is to click on this promote button to get your affiliate link. Okay, once we click on it, a window is going to pop up. Alright, so once this window pop up, just, if you have a tracking link, maybe there's something you want to use to track it, you type it. If you don't want to track anything, just click on generate hop link. Okay, so this is your money link. This is your affiliate link. Okay, so all you just need to do is to copy this link and save it somewhere safe. Okay, save it somewhere safe. Yeah, I like this reading word, man. Save it somewhere safe. Okay, then yeah, I already have my own link, so I'm already promoting this product hard, and you don't really want to know the sale that this product is really bringing in. Okay, so I'll off it. So you copy that link and save it, keep it safe somewhere, okay, because you're going to log out of from Clickbank, you know where you kept those links. Then the next link you want to copy is this link over here, your affiliate page link. You copy it and also keep it somewhere safe. Then also, if you want to contact the vendor himself, you can contact, this is their email support, you contact them for support or whatever request you have, okay. So this is how you find hot products, okay. This is how you find hot products. Also, if you don't want to go with my product, with my selected products, you just want to do your own research, all you just need to do is to, let's go back to marketplace. Okay, so all you just need to do is just come over here on this magnifying glass over here, just click on it and it will bring out the number one product to the, can you see it, research. Can you see research is among the products I selected, it is number one. Okay, check the gravity is as high as 648. So the product that I have picked are well chosen product, guys, are well chosen product, guys. So if you really like the product that I choose, just type in the comment section below, say I love them, okay, just drop them in the comment section below. I want to see you drop them, okay. Say I love this list selection or I love this product selection, and give me a thumbs up, give me a like, subscribe to this channel, okay. Yeah, those products are hot, okay, those products are hot. So these are the products again, these are the products again, so you can go back and write them out. These are the products again, you can pause this video and write them out. These are the products, these are for make money, then these are for weight loss, and these are for personal development. So guys, I hope this video has been able to help you locate products so that you go and start promoting and start making those sales, okay. That is the main goal, okay. That is the main goal, to start making sales and start making that money immediately, okay. So thank you guys for watching, okay. As I say, if you're new to this channel, subscribe to this channel. More helpful videos, I drop more helpful videos like this that will help you guys start making good cash on the internet. So I hope you've been able to learn one or two from this, and I hope that this video has been able to help you guys. So give me a thumbs up, give me a like, share this video to your friends and families, okay. Drop any question you have in the comment section below. Whatever question you have, whatever comment you have, just drop them. I promise to answer them promptly, okay. So thank you guys, Lucky Ato here, and I'm out, guys. I'm out.